Hello,
Hello, teacher.
I'm Hansen. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Sir. I am 14 years old. I am from Vietnam. My hobbies are play badminton and swimming.
Good.
There are 5 people in my family. Uh, there are my father, my mother, my brother, my sister, and me.
That's good.
Um, I attend school in Lele Secondary School. I, I am grade 8.
Okay, that's good. Okay, Seth, do you often go shopping?
Yes, I do.
How many ways can you shop?
Uh, yes, I can shop in 2 ways,
Okay,
online and offline shopping.
that's great. What's your favorite shop?
My favorite shop is Lanchi Supermarket.
Where is Lanchi?
Lanchi Supermarket.
Where is Lanchi Supermarket?
It's in Tam Điệp City.
Okay, how often do you shop?
I go shopping every day.
What do you usually buy?
I usually buy book and other things.
Okay, what type of people can go to Lanchi?
Everyone can go there.
Why do you like Lanchi?
I like Lanchi because their things are cheap and the place is neat.
Okay, their things are cheaper and the place is neat. Okay, we have two ways of shopping, online and offline. Which one do you prefer?
I prefer offline shopping.
Why?
You can bargain.
No bargain, okay.
It's fast.
It's fast. Okay, that's good. You can bargain and it's fast. Okay, Seth, look here. What's this?
Storm,
This,
forest fire,
this,
thunder,
this.
tornado.
Okay, Seth, what's your favorite food?
Um,
Which food do you like? Which food do you like? Pizza, hamburger? Which food do you like?
uh, I, I, my food
My favorite food?
is pizza.
Pizza. Okay, that's a good job. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay.